I'm Jara. I find it such a pleasure to be dolling up so many women from all over the world. Japan, Australia, Vietnam, Ukraine, anywhere in the world you name it. I love my work. These are the bridal styles I have done for my clients. And today I'm happy to share my 7 top trending bridal looks with you. Play with colors. It is okay to have that extra shimmer or colors on your eyeshadow if you're feeling up to it. Hashtag modern bride. Long gone were the days where colors and the extra shimmer were taboo as wedding makeup. And who says your hair has to be in its original shade too? I love how the blue turns out in the picture. I purposely braided her hair with ample volume to bring out the style. And yes, I do hairstyling! The Mega Glow. You will never go wrong with that glow, girl! But I do advise against shining too much if you have oily skin or tend to sweat a lot. I would suggest a satin finish instead. Effortless hairstyle. I often cannot decide whether I want effortless or elaborate. However, it seems like effortless paired with that beach waves always win. I finished her hair with texture and movement, which will definitely bring out that soft romantic side of my bride. The soft romantic. I accentuate natural features with soft blush and coral. Definitely a hot favorite among my brides. The minimalist. Who can go wrong with being minimal? If you are going minimal, my advice is to emphasize one part of the makeup. Usually, I will play up the eyes and keep everything else simple and minimalist, like the accessories or even your dress. So far, my brides are always happy with my suggestions. Bold and beautiful. I suggest lash and lips to bring out that glam. Glamorous with a touch of class. I love this berry finish for my bride from Australia. Florals over diamonds. Almost all of my brides have chosen florals over bling for their hair. Which one would you choose? Thank you, sisters. I hope you liked my video, and if you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to send me a direct message or comment in the box below. Anyway, I've also included my contact details in the description of this video, and I hope to see you in the next video really soon. Ta-ta!